Welcome back to Automotive Widgets, your go-to channel for real, road-tested automotive upgrades. If your Toyota T100 feels bouncy, rough, or unstable lately, it might be time to refresh your shocks. In today's video, we'll reveal the top 5 best shocks for Toyota T100, from budget-friendly replacements to performance-grade options trusted by mechanics and T100 owners alike. Stick around till the end to discover which shock set gives you the smoothest ride, best handling, and long-term durability for your truck. Let's jump right in. Number 5. A Premium Front Pair Struts Shock Absorber. The Premium Front Struts Shock Absorber pair is specifically engineered for 4WD Toyota models, making it an excellent fit for T100 owners who tackle both city roads and light off-road trails. These shocks use a high-strength steel housing and precision-valved internals to offer balanced damping under variable terrain. Drivers have noted improved control and reduced nosedive during braking, along with steadier cornering on gravel or dirt roads. The build quality is noticeably solid for its price, with a corrosion-resistant coating that extends lifespan even in humid or coastal environments. Installation is straightforward, requiring no special tools. However, while it handles mild off-road conditions well, it's not a heavy-duty solution for rock crawling or extreme hauling. Still, this premium set stands out for combining affordability with 4WD reliability and consistent ride comfort. Number 4. OCPTY Front Shock Struts. The OCPTY front shock struts are an excellent RWD-focused option for Toyota T100 owners seeking improved ride stability and handling at a budget-friendly price. Designed to fit seamlessly across several Toyota RWD models, including the T100, Pickup, and Tacoma, these shocks deliver reliable performance for everyday driving. Users commonly report noticeable improvements in front-end control and reduced body roll, especially on uneven roads. The twin-tube design effectively absorbs bumps and vibrations, making long drives smoother and more comfortable. Installation is simple, with no cutting or extra tools required, and the included components fit directly into factory mounts. While these are not intended for intense off-roading, they perform very well for daily commutes, moderate loads, and occasional highway trips. For T100 owners wanting a balance between quality and affordability, OCPTY delivers a dependable upgrade worth considering. Number 3. A Premium Front Pair Shock Absorbers. The Premium Front Pair Shock Absorbers are a strong contender for Toyota T100 owners who prefer a cost-effective yet durable upgrade. Engineered to fit multiple Toyota platforms, Tacoma, T100, and Pickup, they combine precision construction with OEM-level damping performance. Many users report smoother front-end handling and reduced vibration when driving over rough surfaces or potholes. The nitrogen-charged design improves shock response, offering better steering control and stability during cornering. In practice, this means less nosedive under braking and a more confident ride in both city and light off-road conditions. Installation is straightforward, direct bolt-on with no modifications required. However, being a front-only pair, you'll need matching rears for complete performance balance. Overall, this premium pair is a solid mid-tier choice for restoring your truck's front suspension without stretching your budget. Number 2. Front and Rear Shock Absorber Set. This front and rear shock absorber set is a reliable replacement option designed specifically for Toyota Pickup, 1984 to 1995, and T100, 1993 to 1998, models. It's praised for restoring stock-like comfort without breaking the bank. The build quality mirrors OEM specifications, making it ideal for daily drivers who want smoother handling and better corner stability. Many buyers note that after installation, the truck feels tighter and more composed over rough roads, an essential benefit for older T100s that have lost damping efficiency over time. Installation is simple with standard tools, and users appreciate that all necessary bushings and hardware come included. While these shocks aren't meant for heavy off-roading or towing, they perform admirably for city and light-duty use. In short, it's an affordable, dependable upgrade to restore original ride comfort. Number 1. TRQ Front and Rear Shock Absorber Set. The TRQ Front and Rear Shock Absorber Set offers a full kit solution for owners of the Toyota T100, 1993 to 1998, as well as the earlier Toyota Pickup models, 1984 to 1995. Being a set covering both front and rear, it's ideal for those looking to refresh the entire suspension system rather than just a pair of shocks. Users highlight the smooth ride quality after installation. One reviewer said their T100 felt much more controlled over uneven roads. On practical use, the shocks seem to handle the stock load well, with fewer complaints of bottoming out, even when the truck is loaded with gear. TRQ also provides straightforward packaging and fitment information, which helps non-professionals. On the downside, some users mention that the ride is somewhat firmer than OEM, which may be good or bad depending on preference. Overall, the set offers solid value with full coverage for front and rear and strong fitment confidence. That wraps up our list of the best shocks for Toyota T100, designed to bring back that smooth, confident ride your truck deserves. All the products we mentioned are linked in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and reviews on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next automotive widgets guide on performance parts and accessories. Thanks for watching, drive safe, stay upgraded, and we'll see you in the next one.